Uh-huh. You were saying? Go on.
Why do you have to put the lights on? It's so bright.
Try.
Turn the fucking lights
Oh my god. Oh, that's... I'm showing this to your grandkids.
No! Please turn the lights off, Andrew.
Well, since you asked her...
Grandma asked you nicely, turn them. Lights off, please.
Oh. Okay. Do you know what
Day it is?
day it is?
Yeah, it's, well, it's still Tuesday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you just...
February 27th, 1999.
What?
I just want to hear you say something. Something just happened to the plastic on the camera. What? Do you need some scope? Perhaps a Tic Tac?
Do you need a Tic Tac?
You like a little breath mint? Huh? A little breath mint for mommy? Really? Uh-oh. Oops, somebody forgot to put the kickstand up.
Oh, damn. I hate it when the bike falls over like that.
Oh, dang.
That bitch fell off. Yeah.
Oh, dang. I'm lawless.
When are you going to give her some medical attention?
No, she's beyond help. Yeah. Call 911, please.
Turn that fucking light off right now.
Turn that fucking light off.
Are you gonna let my mom talk to you that way?
Turn that fucking light off, please.
Well, that's just angry.
Look at that.
I'll turn it.
Oh, you're walking
Yeah.
right past the.
Thank you.
I guess that means
Are you really
cut.
gonna show your friends this picture of your
That
mother?
is cut. There's no sound.
Do you
there's no
really
picture.
want?
There's no picture. It's black. You can't.
Okay.
No,